I'm Dawson Schreiber, and we're going to be connecting with nature. There are many reasons people won't connect with nature, being that they don't want to, haven't thought about it, or physically can't. That's one thing we're going to talk about, how you can connect with nature, even in your own backyard. The first and only step of connecting with nature is to go out, find nature, and chill out with the trees. Hey, thanks for watching, and have fun connecting with nature. Hi, I'm local TV star Judge Judy, and if you don't go out and connect with nature, you are going to be in my courtroom dealing with me. This has been a local message by Judge Judy.